beat or win. She beat him in a fight. He beats the man. A club could win. You can win the prize. We will win the game. I will beat him at chess. Phrasal verbs: cancel, call off, postpone, put off, scold, tell off, boast, show off, farewell, see off, disconnect, cut off, deactivate. Drop your answers in the comments. Run off, leave quickly. Run over, exceed time. Run through, review quickly. Run into, meet unexpectedly. Run along, go away. Run up, increase debt. Run down, lose power. Run across, find by chance.